Yeah, most definitely. I mean, it's definitely filled some sort of void that I had there. Because again, when I came out, it was about a year later that I started the first podcast, and I just haven't looked back since. So whether it was the first podcast or the second or even the third, or now I'm going into my fourth show, it's still the same thing. And podcasting has brought a lot to the forefront. I mean, it allowed me to, and although I'm super, super thankful for the company that I was with, even through all my alcoholic days and going through rehab and being out of work for months on end in recovery, I was still able to stay employed with the same company. And I was there 21 years. But as of January 4th of last year, I stepped out. Podcasting has given me so much that it allowed me to walk away from a 21-year career to do content creation and speaking full time. And that's really what's driving me today, is helping others do the exact same thing. So many people are in the podcast space. I mean, I don't know what the latest numbers are, but we'll call it 2.5 million just for kicks and giggles. 2.5 million podcasts are out there. And the vast majority of those are unrecognized creators that have that same goal, that have that same dream. And my mission is to help them accomplish the same thing that I've managed to accomplish.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media.